Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Golden Honey. And today we're going to talk about the Cape honeysuckle plant, also known as the Tecoma Capensis plant. Honeysuckles are an amazing common garden plant with highly fragrant flowers that fill with small composite of sweet nectar that brings you back to a nostalgic moment of your childhood. Honeysuckles are a powerhouse plant with more than a few powerful nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, and so much more. This evergreen vine rapidly grows up to about 25 to 30 feet in length and 3 to 10 inches tall. Flowers usually bloom in spring, fall, winter, and it typically does well year-round, except for winter when the temperature drops to below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Usually the plant will die and will grow back in the upcoming springtime. These flowers are usually a deep orange color and to a reddish orange color with trumpet-shaped flowers. Hummingbirds love these flowers here. If you want to see hummingbirds in your yard, I recommend getting these flowers here. They are a great addition to your yard and they have an amazing smell. This plant surprisingly holds many potential health benefits. Number 1, beneficial for intestinal infection. It has great anti-inflammatory effects that help alleviate various intestinal infections. Number 2, it boosts the immune system. It helps the body fight off cold and flu naturally. Number 3, it assists in maintenance of the blood sugar levels. Number 4, it protects against viral and bacterial infections such as strep, tuberculosis, fever, diarrhea, and salmonella infections. Number 5, it helps relieve nausea. Number 6, it encourages milk flow in nursing mothers. Number 7, it helps support a smooth respiratory system, and it may also help with bladder infections. And finally, number 8, it works as an aromatherapy as an oil to alleviate mental and physical stress. As always, like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.